Hey guys, hope you're doing well. So in this video, I'm going to tell you how to go from cold to hot traffic on Facebook ads. All right, my name is Andy and I'm in internet marketing since the last 2 years. And on my YouTube channel here, I share some tips and tricks related to internet marketing. So if you want to keep learning from me, please subscribe to my YouTube channel. So what does everyone want from their Facebook ads eventually? More sales. That's why we're surprised when people tell us they have tried to sell directly to people who have never heard of their product. It will be like going to a party and before introducing yourself and making small talk, then you just ask for their phone number. He or she may get offended when you do that, and you will leave nothing but negative thought about you. People won't buy from brands they've never heard of, but are more likely to respond to brands that try to build a relationship with them. Digital marketers typically, refer to traffic in 3 stages to keep track of what to expect from your audience: cold, warm, and hot. Cold traffic is the people at the party who don't know you, your product, and frankly even don't know who you are. Selling directly to these people is one of the biggest Facebook marketing mistakes we see people make regularly. That doesn't mean you can't tell people about your product. You can convert this product into warm traffic by providing them information they can use, figure out what question your audience is asking, and how you could answer those questions for them. Things like blog posts, ebooks, surveys, or research data are all good examples of content you could show to cold traffic to warm it up. Forming a relationship with people is always a better answer than hounding them to buy your product. After all, even if they don't become your customer now, they may in the future. That's when they get to hot traffic. These are people who know your brand, love your product, and are ready to take the next step, which is purchasing. Although the level of traffic should always be a factor in your marketing strategy, Facebook has some extra precautions that keep you from diving headfirst into conversion campaigns. When you launch an ad set with a new audience, you should always warm it up first. This means that when you start creating campaign with a new audience, you should always run an engagement campaign through it first. Engagement campaigns are centered around a page post that urges the viewers to like, share, or even comment. You don't have to run this for very long, just enough to grab some social proof and get your viewers familiar with your brand. Then you can tag the people that engage the most with your content and put them into a new audience. This audience is now full of warm traffic that is ready to hear more from your brand. You can continue to target the original audience as well, since they've become familiar with you before. Hopefully you have a Facebook pixel installed on your website and you can track what action users are taking after seeing your site. If you don't have it installed yet, so now you need to get that warm traffic to hot. Continue providing them awesome content and maybe even serve them with some really juicy stuff by getting the email. This gives you an opportunity to add them to your mailing list and continue building a relationship with them. You can also start to show them ads that urge them to purchase your product, because the way Facebook looks to your audience, you will want to build up what action you are targeting for. Start with something small, like few content that just gets them to your page. After that has some hits, crank it up to an add to cart and get people on that checkout page. Once you've got some people who are ready to buy, crank up your target to purchase. Then you're ready to get people to start buying from you, a brand they now know and trust. Okay friends, so in this video, I've already explained how to go from cold to hot traffic on your Facebook ad. And if you want to build a successful affiliate marketing business in a professional way, you can find the link in this description below. Please don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel and check out my other videos here. That will help you to learn affiliate marketing and grow your business. So have a lovely day, and I'll see you in the next video.